I thought I'd do a little video on how I mount my camera in my car. So I bought a bunch of camera photographic pulls and connectors and a suction cup mount. And underneath the suction cup mount, there's a thing called Mr. Stickee, which is really cool. It makes it so your suction cup does not fall off. This is the DJI OM5. Has a little holder that you clip on the back of your iPhone or whatever phone you're using. I use the iPhone. And it clips onto the mount, and that's what keeps my picture real nice and still and clear, except for the hood of my car. And I've got this all rigidly mounted in with clamps and suction cups, and there's a post that goes down and clamps to the document holder or whatever that little bin thing is called. It's a UTEBIT clamp. These are UTEBIT junction that's holding the two posts together. This is a CAMVATE multi-directional clamp, two clamps on it. And there's another CAMVATE clamp that's holding it down to the console. And this is how I get a nice smooth look on my videos. This is not a paid advertisement for any of these parts. I got all of it on Amazon. And I will put links in the description below. And if my affiliate account is still active, I will let you know that I will get a small commission on everything that you buy on Amazon if you use that link. So that will help support this channel. I have hopes on getting some more equipment in here, some sound equipment, one that will take a nice immersive environmental sound in stunning immersive quality. I want to get more microphones and a sound recorder and set it up so that I can also get 5.1 surround in here and record in 5.1 surround. So when a car passes, if you've got 5.1 surround system, I want you to feel like you're actually sitting in a car and you hear the sounds as they're actually happening with positional respect to the camera, front, back, up, down, and all that. But I need money to do all that, and your donations will help. You can donate via Zelle to the email address IBenhurt, I'll put it up here, or by Zelle, or by PayPal. Whichever way you do it, Zelle does not charge me any fees.